for my real estate investors out there, man, I'm telling you, curiosity is going to be your biggest advantage, man. When you can learn how to do all these maintenance by yourself, man, by the end of the year, man, you're saving up so much money, y'all. I'm telling you, when you can learn how to do the simple things, garage fixes, man, door latches, small things like that, windows, man. When you know how to do those type of things yourself, man, you're saving so much money by the end of the year. And that money is some you could use for another down payment for another investment property, anything, man. So that's why I tell people, man, YouTube University, y'all, learn how to do these things yourself. Don't always try to call someone, man, because I'm telling you, nowadays, y'all, everything's expensive, man. I'm telling you right now, you don't want to have to call someone over the smallest things for your investment properties. So with that being said, y'all, use YouTube University, man. I'm telling you, you can learn a lot. And on top of that, it'll help you in the future when you start expanding your portfolio and you want to add to it, man.